So in this video, I'm going to discuss the forbidden integer problem which occur in today's educational code forces challenge. So the problem is very simple. You're given three numbers. One is n, other is k, and other is x. So you have to make n with the values, like you have to choose any number from 1 to k. Okay, except x, and you have to print them, okay, any number of times you want, and you have to make that the sum of all these numbers as n. That is your main target. Okay, so first of all you have to tell that whether it is possible to do so or not possible. So there are two cases, no. So for no, there are also basically in the whole scope of test cases, there are only two cases when this will be no. Number one case is when both are like equal to 1. That is in this case. Okay, so I think I made a mistake. It will be 611. So in this case, if both are equal to 1, so we can say one thing, that we have to use all the numbers from 1 to k, that is from 1 to 1 except 1. That is, we are left with no option. We can't use any number, right? So in that case, if we can't use any number, there will be a no. That is, x is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. Okay, and the second case of no will be when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, and it will be like this n thing. Okay, n is odd and k is equal to 2. Okay, so sorry, one mistake. It will be x is equal to 1, n is odd, and k is equal to 2. That is, you can't use 1. Okay, but all the numbers that you can use is from 1 to 2. That is, you can't use 1. So from 1 to 2, the numbers are 1 and 2, and you can't use 1 from them. So you're only left with 2. Okay, so if you're only left with 2, remember one thing, you can only use 2. So no matter how many times you add 2, the answer will be obviously an even number, but over here it is given that n is an odd number. So this is a complete mishap. Okay, now the cases for yes. The first case, there are also two cases. Okay, the first case is if x is not equal to 1. If x is not equal to 1, so you know that you can use 1, because you can't use x, right? But remaining all numbers you can use. So you can't use 1 over here. Sorry, you can use 1 over here, right? So since you can use 1 over here, so what you're going to do is you're going to print n times 1. Okay, and the case 2 will be anything other than these cases. Okay, so over there will be n by 2 times, and if it is even, so you're going to print 2 n by 2 times, and if odd, so you're going to print 2 n by 2 minus 1 time and 1 time 3. So I'll explain you why. So let's take this example for this 1032. Okay, so 1032. So this is in which condition? This is in this condition. That is case 1. That is, x is not equal to 1. See, x is not equal to 1. X is equal to 2. So we can do what? We can print 10 and then print 1 10 times. Okay. For this is a no. Why is it a no? Because see, this 1, 2 and 5. So this condition, x is equal to 1. Yup. N is odd. Yes. And k is equal to 2. Yes. So this is a no. This is a yes, because neither this is x equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. Nope. That is for the last case. Okay, so this case, this is no. So these three cases are solved. Okay, for now. So we are remaining with these two cases. So for this 4 to 1, so what we know that this case, okay, so is it equal to 1? Yep, it is equal to 1. So what you have to do, you have to you can't use case 1, so you have to use case 2. So is it even or odd? It is 4, right? So it is even. So if even, you can print n by 2 times. You can print 2 n by 2 times, because the answer will be 2 into n by 2, right? Because sum of 2 n by 2 times is 2 into n by 2, that is n. But in case it was a odd number, so what did I do? I printed 2 n by 2 minus 1 times. So 2 into n by 2 minus 1, that is n minus 2, and then I printed an extra 3. Okay, so that is 3, that is n plus 1. Is it n plus 1? Nope. Because remember one thing, when we are going to make n by 2, the basic algorithm or the basic thing that occurs in our languages are that this thing, if it is odd, it is reduced by 0.5. Okay, so this is the reason why we can use this. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind this code. This was a very easy code, so I hope you get it. That's it from my side. Thank you.